Now let's say you have a friend or a person in your family who requires help using their laptop or PC, or let's just say you're traveling and you can't carry your large desktop, but what didn't know was that you could just control the desktop with your mobile or a tab or even a laptop which can be carried by hand. So let's just hop onto the video. Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. If this is your first time here, please don't forget to subscribe and please do click on the bell icon right next to it. So let's get onto the video. So first you have to go to the link in the description, then you have to set up a remote access. So first it will open a pop-up window, just close it, then you have to choose a name for the device, then you have to make a password. After all that, you'll have to go to remote support on the left side, then you have to click on generate code. After it generates the code, you will have to type the code in another device. So now I'm on my mobile, so I would go to remote support, then we have to click on access my computer, then we have to just enter the PIN, then some processing will take place. After that you will be able to control your device from any part of the world. So there is another method to this, so I'll be showing that also. So the second method requires you to sign in with the same account in the other laptop. So once that's done, you can just click on your device's name. I need to ask you for the PIN, you can just type it in and then it will do some processing over there, and there you go. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe, like and share for more videos like this, and don't forget to follow us on Instagram. This is me signing off.